Yo, what's up guys? Cordero here with a couple nurses. So I just finished up my first week of anesthesia school and it was a lot, man. I only have 2 classes right now. So I'm in a gross anatomy class and I'm also in a health assessment class, advanced health assessment. And really a lot of it's just been getting my bearings, you know, pretty much just staying organized as possible and not getting behind and not being too overwhelmed by all the resources that everybody has. And of course, just maintaining that mental health. So it's Saturday. I just finished up a 1.5 mile run, you know, just to get out here in nature. I'm actually staying on campus this summer. I only have to be here the first 3 weeks. And then the rest of the summer, I'm going back home. But so with that being said, I went ahead and got a temporary housing provided by the university. So I'm gonna give you guys a little preview of what my setup looks like. So as you can see, it's not much in the apartment, but I don't need much because I'm not gonna be out here that long. So it's the weekend. This gross anatomy class pretty much kicked off full steam ahead. So I'm about to go get some studying done, get some review sessions done with that. There's a lot of resources out there. So for me, I feel like I do have to take my own notes in order to really understand and digest the information. And I can't really go off someone else's notes. And right now we're in the process of finding a study partner. You know, I don't do very well in the big study groups. You know, anything more than 3 people, it kind of starts becoming, you start getting diminishing returns. So you guys start talking about, you know, the day or the teacher or, you know, what's going on at home. And then you kind of get off the topic instead of focusing on, you know, the course content that you're supposed to be reviewing. So we actually start our gross anatomy lab next week where we'll be doing a dissection of an actual cadaver and a real human body. So that's gonna be pretty cool. But I am a little nervous because I'm gonna have to be able to identify all of the muscles, all of the bone, and I'm a little nervous about that. I know I'm gonna do well, but it is, you know, I've never done well with like the parts of the spine. You know what I mean? That's kind of what's making me most nervous, but we'll do all right, man. But I want to give you guys a quick update on my first week. We're surviving. And it really is like drinking out of a fire hose. They say it all the time when you get into CRNA school, and it's just so much information day after day after day that you can't let yourself get behind. You guys be easy and we'll talk to him. Peace.